quick joke before.
A quick joke before we get started. Okay, but really loud so the microphone can get blah, blah.
Okay, what did the obtuse say to the right angle?
What did the obtuse say to the right angle? I don't know.
You're in a queue.
Hilarious, bro.
That took me way too long to get. You're a cute.
That's by far the worst joke I've
Oh, that was awesome. Nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you thought that was a fantastic joke, hit the like button. Smash that like button if you like the joke. And let's do this. You guys rewatch the video. You give me, how many of us are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You get me 15 likes or more on this video for his joke, and we will get him a shout out for giving us a great joke.
We got a dislike on that.
All right, so shout outs on the line. Okay, let's take our notes, shall we? Here we go. We're going to talk first about this word median. This word median might be familiar to you from Algebra 1, where we were talking mean, median, and mode. And it's one of those where everything comes together kind of stuff, when we're talking groups of numbers. But in triangles, a median is a line segment that connects the vertex of the triangle. Remember that the vertex is the corner. So I'm going to use this picture down here. So here's my corner. It's going to connect the corner to the midpoints of the opposite side. So here's the opposite side. And it's going to connect to the vertex, the midpoint. So this is the midpoint, which means this piece is congruent and this piece is congruent.
These have been scored. This one I created another bubble sheet because
Okay, I'll take care of it.
So whenever you get it.
Okay, I will. Thank you very much. All right. Yes? Are we good with that one? From a corner to the side opposite that corner and hits right in the middle. It does not have to hit at a 90-degree angle. You don't have to have perpendicular. Okay? Notice right here. No perpendicular. In fact, if I grab my little nurse's pass sitting here, if I put it like this, remember these corners are 90 degrees. This picture, totally not 90 degrees, right? Yeah. All right. The three medians of a triangle intersect at the centroid. The centroid. The three medians. Hi guys, your attention please. Thank you. The three medians of our triangle intersect at the centroid. In this picture,
Excuse me.
yes ma'am.
Can you please send Deandra Gutierrez to the office?
Thank you.
Thank you.
On this triangle, what is the point that is the centroid? You right here. You is the centroid. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah. Where are your glasses, dude?
I have contact.
You've contacts today. High five.
Surprise.
Yeah. The centroid. Wait. Look. Underline or highlight this sentence, because it is a very important concept. The centroid is located 2/3 of the distance from vertex to midpoint. Let me say it again. The centroid is located 2/3 of the distance from vertex to midpoint. All right, if I'm looking at this line right here, A to S, knowing that we have to stop through the centroid U, this segment will be one piece, and this segment will be two pieces. Okay? Yes?
Yeah.
So if the total was 3, this much is 2, this much is 1. If the total is 6, then this piece is 1/3 of that, If this whole thing is 6, this is 2, and this is 4. There's a lot of side conversation happening. Thank you. I've already got a lot of background noise with the air conditioner going off. All right, so here's our example. We're going to do this exercises right here down at the bottom, and we're going to find each measure. All right, let me focus that thing. In a triangle ABC, AU is 16, so here's 16. BU is 12. BU is 12. CF is 18. This entire thing is 18. And they want us to find the measure of all of these different line segments. The first thing we have to decide is what kinds of line segments are we looking at? Are these perpendicular bisectors? Are these angle bisectors? Or are these medians? Right now, those are only 3 choices. To have a perpendicular bisector, what do we need to have right here? The word perpendicular is your clue. And he's doing this little with his finger off to the side. He's drawing the little right angle symbol off camera. So right here, we need to have a right angle. Do we have a right angle? Then we don't have anything perpendicular. But look at these markings. What do these markings mean? It means they're congruent, which means F is the midpoint of this side AB. What kind of line is CF then? Where's CF coming from? A corner, a vertex, and where is it ending up? Where did it end up? At a midpoint. If I scroll up on my notes real quick and show you the definition, the median is the segment that connects the vertex to a midpoint. Is that what I connected here for CF? Yes. And so CF is a median. Hey guys, remember I'm asking for 100%. As much as you have left, give that to me now, okay? That's all I'm asking is that you try your best. Stay focused for me. All right, so this is a median. What about AD? Is AD a median? AD. Is AD also a median? Yes, it's going from a corner to the midpoint. So it is also a median. What about BE? Is BE also a median? Yes, goes from a vertex to the midpoint because we have congruent pieces on either side. All right, so all 3 of those are medians. This point U in the very center, what kind of point is that? What kind of point is U? All right, let me scroll back up. We've got 3 medians intersecting. When we have 3 medians intersecting, we call it the centroid. Very good. This means that U is the centroid. Let's spell centroid right. It's with a C, not with an S. Now that we know that this is the centroid, we know that this piece is 2/3 of the entire piece. Right? This piece is 2/3 of this entire piece. So if I've cut this piece into 3 pieces, I'm going to have BE, my little diagram over here, and I've cut it into 1, 2, 3 pieces. This much is 12. Okay? What's half of 12? 6. That means each of these is worth 6. You with me so far? So how much is this little piece worth? If all of this big line was cut into these 3 equal pieces. I see some thinking faces. You're not wrong. But let me address the thinking faces because I see a few people going, huh? All right. We were told that this is a median, and we have our centroid sitting right here because this is the vertex B, and this is that midpoint E. We got told that from U to B is worth 12. But the centroid cuts the line, and you have to think about it cutting it into 3 equal pieces. Like we're going to share this with 2 other friends, okay? 1 piece for me, 1 piece for him, 1 piece for her, okay? Well, I'm going to keep some of it, but I'm going to take this last piece, this 2/3 piece, and I'm going to cut it into 2 equal pieces to share with my friends. Together, they get 12 inches of this candy bar that I've got, okay? And they each got the same amount. So if we cut it in half, we say that each one of them got 6 inches of the candy bar, yes? If my piece of the candy bar is the same size as each one of theirs, how big is my candy bar? Also 6. And so what's the length of the entire segment? 18 inches. My candy bar was 18 inches of candy bar. That's a lot of Snickers. That's a lot of chocolates. Hi guys, stay with me. All right, let's do one more. Let's do A to D. We're gonna find A to D. All right, so I'm gonna draw over here my line segment AD. I have U as a centroid. That means that it's cut it into 3 equal pieces. So these are all equal to each other. I'm gonna put little congruent markings. Now I'm told from A to U is 16 little units. So if that's 16 little units, and I know that it's 2/3, how much is each one of these pieces? Cut that in half. 16, cut it in half. It's 8. And if each of those pieces is the same, how much is this one? 8, also 8. So how big was this piece before I started cutting? 24. 8 plus 8 plus 8. Yes? All right. Zoom out. 24. Okay, take a moment. Just do the best that you're able to, and don't worry about it. I'll give you a copy, okay? All right. Let's come to our second page of notes. We're doing really good, guys. You only have, give me 30 more minutes, ladies and gentlemen. 30 minutes of your focus. There's a lot of kind of side conversation happening in the back that's not on topic. Save it for later. Let's finish out this. I've missed a picture. Can you add that symbol? I've missed a symbol. In triangle. CDE. So add in the little symbol for triangle, please. In triangle CDE, U is the centroid. Here's our centroid. We're told that UK is 12. All right, that piece is 12. If that piece is 12, how much is this piece? Remember the centroid cut it into thirds? It's 24 because this is the 2 times. 2 times whatever that piece is. Okay, and since the distance between UK was 12, this is 24. Number 7 asked you to find the distance between C and U, and what is the answer? The answer for number 7 is 24. We found it. You were giving me the question number. We have the answer for number 7. We also now have the answer for number 9. What is the answer for number 9?
36.
How'd you get 36? 12 plus 24, or 36. You added up this piece and you added it to this piece. Nicely done. One last example for the day, and that is using coordinate geometry. So this is using your x, y coordinates. All right, first step, let's plot these points. Plot with me, guys. Here's A. A is at -1, positive 11. There's A. Plot them with me, please. There's B. Hi, guys. Gentlemen, conversation later. Phone off to the side. We're doing this. 100% focus. The most you have. All that you've got for me. Whatever's left in your tank. All right, this is supposed to be a triangle, yes? Yes. So I'm going to take my handy dandy straight edge and I'm going to connect the dots. La, 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 la. Connect the dots.
Oh, I see it.
This was a bad song when I was young. All right, everyone have their triangles. ABC looks something like this?
Yeah.
Yes. What are the directions? Find the coordinates of the centroid. What was the definition of centroid again? In the middle?
The three medians of the triangle intersect.
Okay. It's where the three medians intersect. Gentlemen. Ladies. Oh, discussing this? Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies. My apologies. Thank you. Now, here's the thing. If I know where two of the medians intersect, I know the third one's going to run through that point too, don't I? So really, all I need are two medians. Because I'm all about doing the least amount of work possible, right? You with me on that?
Yes.
Heck yeah. All right, I want you to pick the median. Tell me what vertex you want me to start it at. What vertex do you want to do first? So median from, I heard B, from point B, which is 0.31. I totally wrote that in the wrong color, I'm sorry. All right, median from point B. That means we need to go from point B to the midpoint of AC, which means I need to locate the midpoint of line segment AC. Think back. When we did section 1.3 about midpoints, we had the midpoint formula. Do you remember what that was? Thinking through, flipping back notes. X2 plus, yep, x2 plus x1, you're right, comma, y2 plus y1. x1, y1, x2, y2. That's what I'm going to do. x1, y1, x2, y2. All right, so the x-coordinate of C plus the x-coordinate of A divided by 2. The y-coordinate of C plus the y-coordinate of A divided by 2. 7 plus -1 is 6 divided by 2. 6 plus 11 is 17. Okay. You guys are faster at that than I am. Awesome. So this is 3 and something. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5, 8 and a little bit more, yeah? All right, so I'm going to plot that point right here. This is my midpoint of AC. All right, so I'm going to go to 3, and then I'm going to go, you know what? I'm just going to put the point where on 3 it passes the line, because I'm happy. Yeah? So this right here is my median from B. I only have to do this one more time. Which vertex do you want me to find the midpoint from? From where? A? Okay. From A. We're going to do the exact same thing. x2 plus x1 divided by 2. y2 plus y1 divided by 2. I'm no longer dealing with... Oh, I am dealing with C, aren't I? Because here's A, which means I want the midpoint of BC. So I'm going to relabel B as x1, y1, and I'm going to leave C as x2, y2. All right, here we go. X coordinate of C, which is off camera. X coordinate of B, which is off frame. Y coordinate of C, which is off camera, I'm sorry, and then the Y coordinate of B. I pulled those from the worksheet that you had earlier. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. And so this is at 5. Help. 7. 3.5, so 3.5. Alrighty. Grabbing a different color here. Whoa, pen cap overboard. We're going to go to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go up to 3.5. So right there. And this means that my median from A to side BC is right here. Look at where they cross. Do you see it?
Oh yeah.
Right there. So all we have to do is read those coordinates. All right, we are at 3, 6. We did it. We found the centroid.
Yeah.
Yay! Round of applause for yourselves. You guys did awesome. Who wants to do my outro today?
What?
My outro. That's the, what, like, smash the like button and all that stuff. Yeah, you know it? Do it.
Or like, I don't know it, but I know it.
Oh, you know what I'm talking about? Okay, Jeff, take it away. Shh, wait, outro. Mr. King.
If you like the video, you know what to do, smash that like button.